Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to broaden your knowledge in certain topics such as the geometry of sustainable architecture or castles and so on using the Google Earth application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this third icon, this Voyager function at the top of the screen. Then scroll to the right side of the screen till you find the last section saying education. Click on it, and then you will be able to select from a vast variety of interesting topics that you can read about, thereby broadening your knowledge in certain topics that you are interested in. Tap on the one that interests you the most, thereby you will be able to explore this topic. You can watch videos, have a look at the exact location using the Google map. As you can see, if you scroll down, you can learn about useful information and get to know to these places and architecture and anything that you are fascinated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.